Aksyon! Balita!
I, no? RSSI right now, there are like 7 barangays infected, no? Unaffected with this RSSI infestation, no? So initially we have people from SRA. They're conducting like gas spray sila, no? Sa affected areas. It's like more than 600 hectares na ang affected sa Mabinay. I was also informed by our technician that the said infestation, it reached already Bayawan, Bai City, Bindoy, Ayuman, no? So that governor was already informed about this. Governor, nagpadala na siya o team, of course, to continue the assessment, no? Of course, very soon ang chemicals iyang ipadala po kita sa Mabinay. We're doing also gas spray po no, with our chemicals. SRA is also doing their task also. Gas spray po sila, no? So I don't know whether or not we can declare for a state of calamity. Kaya until now, ang assessment pa yun, no? But this one, talking about RSSI, kinahanglan din siya o collective responsibility. Kaya if one will spray sa area, if dili simultaneous, just the same, after expire ang spray like after 15 days, pabalik ng gyapon ang RSSI, no? So when we had the RDC meeting, one of the options that I presented, especially long-term solution, will be to establish a biocontrol laboratory, no? Because if you have a biocontrol laboratory, at least you can study the infection, you can study the infestation, so that at least we can put a stop, no? Then we can avoid the future infestation like this.
Aksyon! Balita!
Walay pugong-pugong mubulgar sa kamatuuran sa kanginan.